Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this episode of Learning GitHub for Beginners, in this video I will show you how to create a public GitHub repo for a project or a file that you have already created on your computer and publish it to GitHub from VS Code so that you can control the versioning of your project or file. This video is for absolute beginners, so let's begin. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and create a folder that I will be uploading to my GitHub account. Now you might already have a file or folder, so just skip ahead. Alright, so my folder will be website, maybe something like that, website. Okay, and inside this folder I'm going to go ahead and create a text file. Okay, there is the text file index.txt, and I'm going to open it and add some text to this file so that we can see the changes that we make to this file on GitHub reflected on our local machine and vice versa. I'm going to add this text. Alright, save it, close it. I'm going to open my VS Code now, and inside VS Code I'm going to go ahead and open the folder that I had just created, the website folder. Alright, there it is. To select and open it. Now you can see my folder is right here. Now to upload this file to a GitHub account, what you need to do is we need to go ahead and click on this source control icon. Now click on publish in GitHub. Now after clicking on that button, it will suggest you a repository name. I'm just going to add -repo to it, website -repo, click enter and then click on OK. After that it will upload your file to your GitHub account and show your success or failure message. It is successful. I'm going to click on open on GitHub. Now it will redirect you to your GitHub profile, and as you can see the repository has been created and file has been uploaded. It's the same file. As you can see, this is a new text index file. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and edit this file so that we can see the changes that we make to this file on GitHub are reflected on our local machine, which is Visual Code Editor. Alright, I'm going to add this line of text. I'm going to add a commit message. There is already a commit message by default, but it's a good idea to add your own. I'm just going to add this commit message updated from GitHub, and I'm going to go ahead and click on commit changes. There you go, it is saving our changes, and there you can see. Now open your VS Code and click on sync and then OK, and the changes that you made to the file on GitHub will be reflected right here. As you can see, edited the text file in GitHub. You can see that right here. I'm going to go ahead and create another file, another text file called new file.txt. I'm going to create this file so that I can show you how to push to GitHub through terminal, right? For that you must have GitHub installed on your local machine. Alright, so I've created. Now I'm going to open my terminal, and the first command you need to learn is git status. It is going to show you untracked files, the changes that we have made. Alright, it is showing me a new text file, a new file that is untracked. I'm going to add it. For that the command is git add dot, press enter. After that you need to commit the changes that you have added. For that type in this command called git commit -m and then the commit message. After that you need to just press enter. Alright, and the last command will be git push. So this is basically the 4 command that you would need to know as a beginner. After that what you can do is you can just go ahead and refresh your GitHub page, and the changes will be reflected in your GitHub page. So those are basically the 4 commands, but for that to work you must have GitHub installed in your local machine. All right, So there you can see I'm going to go back to my website repo, and the new file is right here. So that's how you upload your files from your local machine to your GitHub account. Alright, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Please like, subscribe my videos. Thank you.